Dandasa is a bark of walnut tree. Dandasa is actually applied and rubbed gently on teeth to clean. It prevents pyuria, bacteria and germs. It sucks excess saliva and phlegm. It also makes the mouth fresh and clean of germs. It is very beneficial for gums and teeth. Dandasa turns teeth into white peels. Because it cleanses the teeth immediately and all of a sudden, it gives excellent results. Dandasa is used for centuries in Pakistan and India regions, South Asia continent. Dandasa is a biggest blessing from God. Even poor people cut the bark and use it on the daily basis. But Dandasa can be used every third day. Toothpaste with brush should be applied on the daily basis. But Dandasa also can be used every third day as well. Dandasa is a natural bark, which is used by many people nowadays. But in today's modern world, now people are getting busy and do not have enough time to care of their teeth and do not have sufficient time to rub the teeth gently with Dandasa. But its benefits are countless. Dandasa can be purchased at very cheaper price in Pakistani or Indian store, but it can be now purchased online, especially Etsy and Amazon store. But those people who live in Pakistan and Indian, go to cut the bark directly and rub their teeth gently with Dandasa to clean, and it is extremely beneficial for gums and teeth. Dandasa can be found in northern area of Ko-e-Himalaya, northern region of Pakistan, such as Muri, Ayubia, Natya Gali, Abbottabad, Mansehra, Gora Gali, Changla Gali and many Galiot areas. Even people peel of the skin of walnut and rub their teeth with the green skin of walnut. Green skin of walnut amazingly whitens the teeth like white pearls all of a sudden. Green skin of walnut cleans the teeth so quickly and it kills the germs all of a sudden. Also, bark of a walnut tree is a blessing of God. People keep Dandasa bark and green skin of walnut in basket or container and keep them in safe place and store them for 1 year. And then they come from mountainous regions and rub their teeth gently with Dandasa bark and also green skin of walnut. Dandasa leave brownish red stain on lips and gums, and some people keep Dandasa in lukewarm water for half hour to leave its color in water. Then Dandasa does not leave any stain on lips, tongue and gums at all. Dandasa may cause little dryness in mouth, because it sucks excessive saliva and phlegm. It makes the mouth extremely fresh, clean of germs and it kills bacteria in mouth. Some Pakistani and Indian ladies keep Dandasa in water to leave its brownish and red color in water, and then they pour henna powder and the color becomes more solid reddish and brownish and hair becomes very shiny brownish red and glows in front of sun rays beautifully. Ladies pour henna powder, Dandasa water and also coffee or tea, and color may last long on hair. Dandasa prevent pyuria and it prevent cavities and bacteria and it removes bad breath from a mouth so quickly. Dandasa can be soaked in lukewarm water to be soft and also it will not make your lips and gums brownish red as well. Dandasa was used by Mughal emperors and queens, as they were introduced with Dandasa in Indian subcontinent. Some people grind it and they keep its powder in container and store it in safe place and apply and rub their teeth with its powder as a manjan. Dandasa manjan is used for centuries. You can add coconut oil to make it paste and apply on teeth and rub your teeth gently with its manjan with coconut oil and it removes plaques so easily and gently. Its manjan was used by Mughal emperors and queens. Herbalists and hygiene had used Dandasa several centuries ago, and teeth should be rubbed gently with Dandasa or its manjan and good results can be seen within few minutes.